What is up, geeks? This is Joseph of Davao Geek Hub, and in this video, we'll be checking out the ASUS VivoBook S14. But first, intro. Hello again, guys. This is Joseph, and I hope everyone is keeping safe. I'm glad to be making videos again. Sana tuloy-tuloy na to. And you might be wondering why I'm wearing a mask. I just got back from an errand, and I kind of like wearing this one. It's a Gundam-inspired mask, which I bought from Lazada. But I kind of forgot the name of the store, but I'll try to put the link in the description below. Moving on. This is the ASUS VivoBook S14. Now, about a month ago, the S14s were launched, but that was the AMD Ryzen laptops. These new ones are equipped with the 10th gen Intel processors. It's not out yet. It will be launched this July 31. You can watch the online launch at the ASUS Facebook page. We'll also try to host a watch party, so you can also watch it at the Davao Geek Hub Facebook page. Now for the S14. Opening the box, we'll find the laptop itself. Next is an envelope with their tagline "Wow the World." Then we have the warranty card and the user guide. We also have the power brick, and lastly the power cable. Now let's check out the laptop. This is the S14. It's in dreamy white. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but it has that pearl-like effect when you see the light pass through. Ganda, di ba? This is the S433 model. It's equipped with i5 10th gen. And as you can see, it's very slim and a bit lightweight. Not as light as most high-end ultra thin laptops in the market, but light enough. You can see the ASUS VivoBook branding here. And for the ports, we have a micro SD reader, two USB 2.0. Then we have a USB 3.1, I think, Type A, and a USB 3.1 Type C. We also have a headphone jack and an HDMI port and the power port. Now, opening the notebook, you'll see a wide screen with the thin bezels. This is the Asus Nano Edge display. You can find a webcam up here. It has a chiclet keyboard, and as you'll notice, the enter key has a yellow highlight on it. It looks kind of a bit like a neon green. It doesn't have any special features or anything. I think it's just for aesthetic. And for security, we have a fingerprint sensor right on the trackpad. I'm sad to say though that this doesn't have the ergo lift hinge, which you find in the S15. But if you look at the bottom, it has proper lift naman, so you have a comfortable typing experience. You also find at the bottom the vent for cooling and the bottom facing speakers. Overall, I think this is a good looking laptop for young professionals. It's equipped with an i5 10th gen processor and an NVIDIA MX350. I'm not sure if that can handle video editing, but I'll try to test it out. No price for the S14 yet. It will be announced during the launch at July 31, so do watch it. And this is my first impression of the ASUS VivoBook S14. I'll try to review it if I can, kasi I only have a limited time with this. If I do, I'll post it on DavaoGeekHub.com. I'll put the link up here or at the description below. So, thank you for watching. This has been Joseph of Davao Geek Hub. Do click the like button if you find this video informative or somewhat entertaining. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications when new videos arrive. So, that's it. See you in the next video. This is Joseph of Davao Geek Hub. Bye!